Good morning, dear student. Today we will learn social science and our chapter name is I Love My India, and this is the chapter 4 of class 3. And which subject? Yes, social science. Now, what we have learned previously? We have learned previously about the two types of government. So, what was the two types of government? That is the central government and the state government. The central government that make law for the entire country, and the state government that to look after the welfare of the people that are living in particular state. Okay, so that is the work of the central government and the state government. And the central government, where its main office is in New Delhi. So New Delhi, if we talk about the New Delhi, so New Delhi is the capital of our country, India. And in New Delhi, there is also Rashtrapati Bhavan. And in Rashtrapati Bhavan, who lives there? So the President of India, its residence is Rashtrapati Bhavan. And in Rashtrapati Bhavan, there are more than 300 rooms. Okay? Now, what we learn about the state government? So, what was the work of state government? That to look after the welfare of the people that are living in the particular state. So, how many states in our country? There are 28 states in our country, because it is very difficult for the central government that to look after the entire people of our country. So, the division of work. So, in every state has state government. And what was the work of the state government? That to look after the welfare of the people that are living in the state. And who govern? Like the chief minister, the governor, the chief ministers, and some other ministers and officers, they work in the state. Okay? And in central government, who are like the president, the vice president, the prime minister, and some other ministers, they live in Delhi and they work for the central government. Clear? Now, our next topic is union territories. That is union territories. Now, there are some parts of India which are not included in 28 states. Okay, ऐसे कुछ पार्ट्स हैं जो कि हमारे 28 states में नहीं आते. There are some parts of India that not included in 28 states. So these are called union territories. उन्हें हम क्या बोलेंगे? That is union territories. Means what are the states? States means India is divided into small parts. That is called the state. And what are union territories? Means some parts of India, some parts of India not included in the 28 states. कुछ ऐसे पार्ट हैं जो इन 28 स्टेट्स में नहीं आते हैं. So these parts are called the union territories, and it was governed by central government. It was governed by central government. So इसको कौन गवर्न करता है? That is the central government. And states को? That is state government. So who आपकी बुक में क्या दे रखा है? 7 यूनियन टेरिटरीज, बट नाउ एट प्रेजेंट टाइम हाउ मेनी यूनियन टेरिटरीज? इन प्रेजेंट देयर आर 9 यूनियन टेरिटरीज. Okay, so here including the national capital territory of Delhi. See here in page number 29, here the names of the union territories. So I will add 2 more union territory. Clear? Because in this book there are only 7 union territory, but now at present time, अभी के टाइम में कितनी यूनियन टेरिटरीज है? That is 9. So you have to write 2 more union territories. Clear? So what do you know about the union territories? Means some part of India not included in 28 states that are called the union territories. कुछ पार्ट जो है इंडिया के जो कि 28 स्टेट्स में नहीं आते हैं, सो उनको that is the union territories and it was governed by, जैसे कि स्टेट्स होते हैं, जैसे 28 स्टेट्स है, उनमें कौन सी गवर्नमेंट है? हर स्टेट की अपनी गवर्नमेंट होती है. ओके, सो दीज आर कॉल्ड द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट and they work for the look after and welfare of the people that living in the state. And the union territories they governed by the central government. इनको कौन गवर्न करता है? That is central government. And how many union territories are in India? So there are how many? There are 9 union territories in India. जो बुक में दे रखा है 7, आपको उसको 7 को हटाना है and you have to write 9 in place of 7 because how many union territories in India? That is 9 union territories in India. So what are their names? Their names are first Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, इसका pronunciation क्या है? Island. S silent है. That is here S silent, so we pronounce only island. So Andaman and Nicobar, this is the union territory. And here its capital. Here its capital. So what is the capital of that union territory? That is Andaman and Nicobar Island. That is Port Blair. Second one, Chandigarh. Second one, which union territory? That is Chandigarh. And its capital is Chandigarh. The same. Okay? Now the third one is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. And its capital, what is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli? Its capital is Silvassa. Silvassa. Now the fourth one is Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu. Its union territory, it's the name of union territory, that is Daman and Diu, and its capital is Daman. Now the fifth one is Lakshadweep. That is Lakshadweep. And its capital is Kavaratti. Kavaratti. Now the seventh union territory, that is Puducherry. And its capital is Puducherry. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 7. Now the national capital territory of Delhi. That is seventh one is the national territory of national capital territory of Delhi. Now its capital is what? Delhi. Its capital is Delhi. Now you write 8th one. Okay. So you write in your book. That is the 8th one is the Jammu and Kashmir and its capital is Srinagar and Jammu. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. Now the 9th one is the Ladakh and its capital is Leh. So how many union territories are there? There are 9 union territories and the names are the Andaman and the Nicobar Island. Its capital is Port Blair. Second one, Chandigarh. It is the name of the union territory and its capital is Chandigarh. Now the third one is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and its capital is Silvassa. And the fourth one, the fourth union territory, that is Daman and Diu and its capital is Daman. The fifth one is Lakshadweep and its capital is Kavaratti. And the sixth one, union territory, the name is Puducherry and its capital is also Puducherry. Now the seventh one is the national capital territory of Delhi, that is its capital is same. Now Delhi. And the eighth one is Jammu and Kashmir. This is the national territory. Now you have to write this union territory. You have to add this union territory in your book, because in book how many union territories are there? There are only 7 union territories in book. But this book is old now, so you have to add 2 more union territories. Okay? So these union territories. So this previously Jammu and Kashmir, it was state, but now it is union territory. So the Jammu and Kashmir is the union territory and its capital is Srinagar and Jammu. So Srinagar is the summer capital of Jammu Kashmir and Jammu is the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir. So the 2 capitals mentioned here, the Srinagar and the Jammu. Now the 9th one is the Ladakh and its capital is Leh. So this is the 9th union territory, that is the Ladakh and its capital is what? Leh. Now, quick recap about these 4 chapters. Now, India is a big country and it is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. And the central government that look after the whole country. So, who look after the whole country? That is the central government. Who governs the whole country? That is the central government. And New Delhi is the capital of India, and the state government, they govern the states only. Okay, so the central government that governs the whole country, and the state government, they govern only the states. And how many states? So there are only 28 states in our country. Now, some parts of India are directly on the central government. So some parts of India that directly under the central government, that are called the union territories. These parts not included the 28 states. Okay, so these are the union territories and they directly under the which government? That is the central government, and they are called the union territories, like Andaman and Nicobar Island, and its capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh, its capital Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, its capital is Silvassa. Daman and Diu, its capital is Daman. Lakshadweep, its capital is Kavaratti. Puducherry, its capital Puducherry. The national capital territory of Delhi, that is Delhi. And Jammu and Kashmir, this is the 8th union territory, and its capital, 2 capitals, Srinagar and Jammu. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. And now the last one, that is the Ladakh, and its capital is Leh. So you easily understand about the concept of the central government and the state government. So central government that look after the whole country. जो हमारी पूरी कंट्री को कौन ध्यान रखता है? That is central government. और जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है, that only look after the welfare of the people that living in the state. Means the work of the state government, that is it govern only the states. ये किसको govern करती है? Only states. And how many states? There are 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay children, we will meet in the next video.